Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Honeygain account. So first, visit the link for Honeygain app on your default browser. And this will pop up. For using a link, you are eligible to claim $5 and click the button below to sign up now. And then enter your email address and create password and get the sign up button. Now, confirm your email address via verification email address and $5 will be added to your account. Now, download the Honeygain app to your Android device. Install and open the app Honeygain and log in using the same credentials. Logging in lets your app synchronize with the dashboard. If the data doesn't appear, refreshing your browser will do the trick. Share your internet data and earn credit bonus. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.